In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice in WooCommerce. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone running an online store, as it helps streamline the process of providing customers with accurate and professional invoices. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is install and activate a plugin that will simplify this entire process for you. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, and there, you'll want to search for the WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips plugin. Once you find it, go ahead and install it by clicking the Install button, and afterward, activate it to get started. This particular plugin is fantastic because it automatically handles invoice creation and can attach these invoices to emails sent from your store, giving your business a more polished and seamless operation. After your plugin is activated, navigate to your dashboard and locate the section that reads Invoice Packing. Under this, you'll find Invoice, and then you'll want to click on General. This section is your control center for setting up your invoices. Once you're in, you need to enable invoice generation. This setting ensures that invoices will be automatically created for your orders. A key part here is to determine which order statuses should trigger invoice creation. For example, you might want invoices to be generated only when an order is completed or processed. Think about how your order flow works and choose the statuses that make the most sense for your business operations. Next, let's decide which WooCommerce email types should have the invoice PDF attached. Typically, you'd want to attach invoices to order confirmations or any other email that signifies payment or order completion. This ensures your customers receive the necessary documentation without any extra steps on your end. Now, let's move on to customizing your invoice settings, starting with the numbering. You can specify the format that best suits your business style. You might opt to have a prefix or suffix added to the invoice numbers. This addition can be particularly handy for record keeping or to distinguish between different fiscal years or types of transactions. Finally, don't forget to save your settings once you've configured everything. This last step is crucial because these settings dictate how your invoices are handled and attached to emails moving forward. When this is done, any future email communications involving orders will include downloadable PDF invoices, thus adding a layer of professionalism and convenience for both you and your customers. And there you have it. You are now set up to efficiently send invoices through WooCommerce. Your customers will appreciate the clear and professional communications, and you'll enjoy the ease of automation. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you improve your store's operations.